Hello everyone. So today's video is dedicated to all those women who are preparing for either CDS or NDA. So recently we have seen that only 500 women have cleared the written stage in NDA, and that for CDS it was just 396. So now I'll be telling you how to see these things, okay? So the very first point is that if you have appeared SSB, you might be knowing that greater is the group, lesser is the chances that you are going to outshine the group. Okay. And the second point is that when there will be lesser the reporting, lesser the women appearing for SSB, lesser the chances that you will be getting merit out. When you will be thinking these 2 points continuously, like if I'll be clearing written, this means that my chances of getting recommended is higher, because reporting will be less, I'll be having more chances to speak out in the group. Second point is that even if I'm getting recommended, there is no doubt that I'll be getting merit out even after this much of hard work I have levied into. These 2 points I think will make very clear that women who are appearing for these exams, that we should be very clear that we are clearing the first step itself. Then the later stages we will be confirmed that if I am clearing SSB, there is no chance I'll be getting merit out. But at the same time, your backup should be very clear. Why I'm saying this? Because earlier there were the chances that people who are very good in their personalities, but they were not academically very bright, they were getting recommended, but the chances of getting married in were very less. But this doesn't mean that we can't score in hundreds in for OTA. Yes, by putting some extra effort, yes, we can do it. And I think this exams should be approached in this way from now on. And apart from this, I was talking about backup option. All those who are appearing for India, they should not take a drop just for India, all those women. And for CDS, I'll say give other exams as well. If you are graduated, you have multiple opportunity to look forward for, and so in this way you will be appearing for this exam as well, and your backup option will be prepared by the same. So these are all the points I had to say today, and I think this will be providing you with some point of positivity in your life if you are a defense aspirant. Thank you and Jai Hind.